Hey Albert, hey track fans, how you doing? Look, where's the car? What kind of movie starts with no car? Here it comes, let's go. It's the FORD GT GTE. People felt it should have been a 3 last time. I think I said 3 on the last video, and I should have said E. It's a FORD GT GTE. Oh, kick out on Gambon. Did you see that drift there? That was amazing. Oh, he's stuck, but he lines it up nicely round the bottom. Kind of like a little wiggle there. It's all good. Out of Chicago into an R2 and R2. Chicanes through Bentley. Long straight into the right-hand corner of Gambon. His wheel spinning, Can he make it? Are we going to get the drift? Yes, we got the drift. Check that out. Oh, he's derailed. Let's stick him on. Track fans, back on the race. Here we go. Can we get him? Yes! Lots of drift, lots of spin. This car is a beast. Everyone, it handles amazingly. Like I said in the last episode, maybe equal to the Bentley. I think it's faster. But this is our last lap, track fans. We've had an RTA. The spoiler has come off. The spoiler is off the car. This GT has no idea of its own power. Right, let's see it round its last lap. Try and keep it on the track. This hog of a car. Oh, this is amazing. Albert, get down here with your dad soon. We can play track. There you go, track fans. I'll see you soon.